Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 12 of remote learning. This week, we will start our International Day project. You have already been given your groups, the people that will be in your group. You should have discussed with your group members the topic that you would like to work on in terms of what project you would like to complete for this assignment. So what you have to do today is you have to research and prepare a Google slide presentation about one aspect of your culture. These are the choices that you are being given. You could choose an important holiday in your culture. You can choose to do a biography of a special person. It could be a scientist, an athlete, an activist, a musician, anything of your choice. The person does have to come from your country. You could choose your country's flag and its meaning. You could choose an important landmark or tourist attraction in your country. You could choose artwork that originated in your country, or you can choose traditional food and recipe. I do want you to note that those of you that have done this project in the past, the traditional food and recipe assignment is different than what we have done in the past. And once you see the activity sheet, you will understand why it's different. For each one of these topics, there is an activity sheet that I will show you in the choice board. All presentations are going to be on a Google slide. You have been giving your partners already. What I would like for you to do is choose one person from the group to create the Google slide. You are to create the Google slide and then share it with the rest of your group members. If you are working alone on this project, then you do not need to share it with anybody. Once you have shared it with your partners, or not because you're working alone, I would like for you to attach the Google slide to the assignment in Google Classroom, just as we did with our last project. This way, I could see your progress on the Google Slides, and I would also be able to comment and provide you with feedback as to how you're doing, the glows and grows of the assignment. So these are the musts that you are completing for this assignment. Number one, discuss the topic in a clear and interesting way. Number two, have logically organized slides. So you must have a beginning, a middle, and an end with connected ideas. All right. So each slide must follow the next. Number three, you must have many well-chosen details and or facts about the topic. Number four, have minimal or no errors that obscure meaning. The information is written in a clear manner. Please do not copy and paste. I want it to be written in your own words. You must check your writing for spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. Number five, be professional and well organized with at least 5 slides. So that means each project, no matter which topic you choose, you must have at least 5 slides, no less than 5 slides. But if you have more than 5 slides, that is okay. Number 6, contain relevant visuals, creativity, and show effort. Visuals, I want to see that it is creative, okay? Add pictures. Show me your effort. All right, these are the 6 important things that you must have in your Google Slides for the presentation. Moving on, I'm going to show you the choice. So here is your International Day Project Choice Board. Here you will find the 6 different activities that I have spoken about previously. You are only going to choose one project that you will be working on. If you click on the name of the topic, you will get an activity sheet. So let's say you and your partner chose country flag. You will click on it and it will take you to the country flag activity sheet. You are to make a copy of this activity sheet and share this with your partner as well. All the questions that you need to answer are on these activity sheets. Once you have completed the activity sheet, you may insert the information onto the Google Slides. If you don't feel the need to complete the activity sheet and want to answer the questions directly in the Google slide, you may do that as well. What is going to be graded is your final project, which is the Google slide presentation. Again, these activity sheets are made for you for organizing your thoughts. If you do not need the activity sheets to organize your thoughts, you can go directly into the Google Slides and post your answers in the Google Slides. So this is for the country flag, traditional food, important person, biography, art style, landmark, special holiday. Okay, so each one has an activity already connected, hyperlinked to it. Under each title, you have several websites. We have given you these websites as an option to search for information. If you have other websites that you would like to use to get information, that is fine. These websites that I have posted are optional. What you must look at are the activity sheets. Those are the questions that you are going to be answering for the slideshow. So, moving on, the final thing I would like to show you is the checklist. This is the project checklist. So as you're working through the project, you must check off the items below once you are done completing the project. What I want you to do is discuss the topic in a clear and interesting way. Your project must be logically organized in your slides. Your project must have many well-chosen details, facts about the topic. Your project must have minimal to no errors that obscure the meaning. And you must check for spelling, grammar, and punctuation. The presentation is professional, well organized, and you have at least 5 slides. Your presentation has relevant visuals, creativity, and shows great effort. All right? You got this, guys. Lastly, I'm going to say that I am going to create a video for each activity sheet. And this way, you can watch the video for each activity sheet. I will explain each question to you. Each activity sheet will have a different video. So please watch the video that pertains to your activity sheet. So if you chose a biography, watch the video about biography. If you chose traditional food, watch the video about traditional food. I will explain to you some of the changes that are found on these activity sheets. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I am available via Google Classroom. On the stream, you could send me a message. You could send me a message privately, or you can go into Pupil Path and send me an email. Let me know if you're having trouble working with your partner. I will figure out a way to help you get in contact and communicate with them. All right. Have a wonderful day.